Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button on your right side just below the screen. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the current situation of the world, mainly related to the protest that is going on in United States. Alright, so see, the current planetary positions are Saturn retrograding in Capricorn sign along with Jupiter, and Venus is retrograding in Taurus sign. So if you remember, I already predicted 1 month back about some kind of riots, fights or protest that will start during this time. That is the end of May or starting of June. So let's have a look to what I said last month. What is Capricorn? It is a sign of law and order, government establishment, structure, design, system. So all this, because of this retrograde, it will be like people going against the government. There will be a lot of riots all over. Then there will be processions against the government. So a lot of chaos all over. This say last week of this month or maybe starting of June. So a lot of happenings going around against the government. So this will be not only for our own country, but it can be all over the world. So right now it's all happening in USA. So if you want to have a look to that entire video, then I have added the link in the description box below. Okay, so this is all happening because of the Saturn's retrograde movement in Capricorn, and which has led people to go against the government. But USA is not the only country which is facing this kind of situation. Even in Hong Kong and Austria, people are going against the government and there are protests going on. So you have seen in that video that I already mentioned about some kind of chaotic situation which will be present during this time. So here in India, we are facing such chaotic situation daily related to the migrant workers who are rushing to go back home due to this coronavirus pandemic. So we see that due to the lack of government trains and bus supply, people are just moving around and there is a total mess all over. So they don't know from where to catch their trains or buses, and yes, it's a chaotic situation right now. Moreover, India is facing some kind of tension across the borders of India-China, and militant fights has also started in India-Pakistan borders. So what we find here is that people around the world are either fighting or protesting against the government. But this situation will slowly subside when Jupiter will go back to the Sagittarius sign, which is by the end of this month. But the change of power in USA is seen clearly as Saturn will be still retrograde till September, and the US elections are by that time only, that is the end of this year. Alright, so this is all for today, and if you have liked my video, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you haven't done so.